Hey YouTube, this is John, the Airsoft King. I'm in the middle of my Airsoft War for my birthday. I'm here with my teammates, Harrison, Joel. We're waiting for Ben and Austin to come. We think Ben might be down. We've been fighting for probably an hour almost. We're sitting here. Harrison has the machine gun, Joel has a shotgun, and I have my M14. I've already taken a shot to the leg and one skinned my cheek. Joel's already taken a shot to the shoulder. Harrison's somehow a lucky bastard. I think he got shot. I know he got shot in the arm or something, right?
In the shoulder.
Shoulder. Jesus. You guys get all the good. You guys get all the horrible. I mean, crap. Sorry, you two. You two get the good wounds. I get the crappy ones.
Well, at least you got the medic.
Yeah, at least I got you as my medic. There's the fuckface over there. So, we're here in a pond. My dad's been scraping for his property. We're watching this area, which is apparently the enemy's main point of attack, we think, if they're gonna come and get us. I'm gonna set the camera down and we're gonna wait for the fuckers to come. Sorry, Miss Eddie.
What?
I told Miss Eddie to watch the video after it's been filmed.
After she's dead?
After it's been filmed.
Yeah, she's gonna watch it after she's dead.
I hope she... I know her. You guys hear that too? Shit. Hello YouTube, this is John, the Airsoft King, bringing you another video from the same war. Different teams though. This time it's just me and Harrison. Joel decided to go with the freaking Krauts this time, which are Ben and Austin, so...
But last round,
confidence.
I got 2 in like
2 headshots.
Yeah.
2 headshots. Lucky bastard.
All they had was the medic.
Yeah. And he'd already used his revives, I believe. So, yeah. This is my M14. Oh, we got hostiles coming in. Can't see it though. We'll just put the camera right here, YouTube. For the action.
Can I see it?
Yeah, they can see the whole battlefield.
Alright. This is gonna get intense. Hostiles. Open fire!
Run, morons! You see that, YouTube? We just took we just shot at 2 motherfuckers. Oh, we got one fucker coming in, YouTube. Get ready.
It's the machine gun. He's not getting anything.
No, it's just the dumb shit.
Yeah, he's not getting anything through the trees.
Get ready. Ben's gonna make a run for it.
There he goes. They're not coming through. There's a couple coming around that way.
Keep shooting at Ben. No, actually, you shoot at those 2 hill buzzers. I can take Ben. Oh wait, this is Austin. Shoot the hill. I'll take Austin.
starting to get a few shots through, but I don't coming to us. Alright, watch him, watch him. Keep on him.
Behind it.
Moving up! Moving. Moving!
Shit!
Oh, that's cover. They're running. They're making a run for it. Taking some cover. Reloading.
Oh shit.
Alright, they're moving back.
Keep moving! Keep moving!
Hurry up, hurry up. I think I shot him in the leg. Locked and loaded. Moving.
Right next to him!
Crossing! They're coming back.
Come on, dig in! Pistols are down at this state.
Captain, move forward. Moving up!
Oh shit! Cover! Reloading! Oh! Let it go. Oh! I'm out. Now. Got shot up. Don't shoot me.
Is the lieutenant dead?
Harrison, fire a shot if you're dead. Good.
I'm dead!
Put your gun down!
I'm dead. I'm just walking around.
Oh, shoot him, Private. Corporal, shoot him.
Okay, fine. If you want to acknowledge I'm dead, I'll keep fighting.
Yeah! Hey, John's looking to see you.
We're just making sure you're dead, Ben.
Alright, I am dead, but don't take my gun, please.
Only I can take it because it's actually my gun.
Grab my gun. Yep.
Yeah.
No, we lost a man.
Stop. I'm out.
Texas!
Stop. I'm just doing
Is that game? How many are there? Just 2? Where's Austin?
He's coming up this way.
You cover Austin. You cover Austin.
That's some way, Joel.
There they are. Austin's coming up with the... Oh, Austin, if you wouldn't have moved, you'd be dead meat.
Whoa! He has a machine gun, stupid.
Thank you. I love this guy.
Cover Austin.
Where's Austin? Ah! Austin's right here! Shoot. Alright, heads up, Harrison.
I hate to say this, boys, but they got you in a little crossfire here.
Move around, Ben.
You have to take us dead, gentlemen. I'm sorry, Ben and moron.
Ha! It's a dead stop. Hey, Dan, hold your fire. Hold your fire.
I'm dead!
Hey, your teamwork won the day. We are awesome.
Cut.
We must catch a-holes around.
Stay here.
Where's the back?
Give you the signal.
Where's the
Come up
box?
that flag. It's right there. Get in there. When you start shooting the both machine guns, come up the left flank. So tell it you're on lead.
You hear left flank when you hear both machines. Or when you hear us all. out of here.
Fall back.
You can't advance this way.
We'll take them full pedal.
You gotta advance up the main road.
Move up one at a time.
Contact.
Harrison!
Harrison's retreating. Let's switch the places.
Got it going over there.